Good morning. This is what I eat in my life, specifically on Monday. The most Saturday day. I love it. Saturday. I know it. I feel like I want a new song with a new life. For a new song that doesn't exist.
Me and the Fleur sat down in your dog.
First, this is just a juice that I bought from supermarket, and I think it's concentrated. This is all three kinds of seeds. I mix it. Mm. This is like a typical avocado we are buying from a supermarket, and all the time exclaiming like, "Oh, it's so not sustainable and so expensive." And I agree with you. It's expensive. Recently, I discovered this beautiful sauce for me. It's a paper sauce, Vietnam's rice. They put it in a rice. I put it in the avocado. Very tasty, to be honest. Helemaal. Helmans. It's just and a little bit of salt over here. Also, my sandwich with a cheap cheese, butter, and salami. This is it. You know what? I don't want to think about anything like, but about anything like job, struggle every day. But I keep trying to, it seems like I keep trying to convince myself that look, work isn't the most important things. Yet I think about it every second. Why? Why can't we just live in the moment and enjoy it? Of course, I bought this protein because I do gym. Of course, I bought fennel because it's extremely healthy. Goes with this friend together. And this cost me 270. This broccoli, little one broccoli, 270 euro. I think it's very expensive. Of course, I don't know, is strawberry very healthy? But sometimes I just need that. And of course, this is my breakfast. I put it on a pan and put this eggs here and roll it. That's basically it, you know. After the gym, I decided to make this plant burger. 13 grams of protein. I don't know. I'm not some kind of vegetarian, but it's just a curiosity of curiosity how it tastes. Plant burger. How it on earth tastes. I'm gonna do it with pita and with this thing. Okay, opening this. Oh my god. I want to smell it. It smells weird. Oh my god. I'm gonna put it on a pan. Not very sexy, but yeah, I think I need to put some soy sauce on it. Very colorful, I would say, with a pita. Oh my god, I can't even cut it. The shit. First time trying vegetable burger. I can't even express what is that? It looks like soya. What can I say? It's eatable, but it tastes weird. Tastes, and I don't understand. If you're a vegetarian, why would you like to eat fake meat if you don't like the taste of the meat? That is the question. Right? If you're a vegetarian, you shouldn't even think about burger. And name burger for you is forbidden. A little snack. It's exactly what I want right now. Korean barbecue flavor. Taste of Asia. This just because I don't want to cook, I do this. You see, it's a little bit instruction for stupid. You just need water. You just need your 3 minutes of your life. They actually eating it like a spaghetti. They don't use water, but I want to eat it like a soup. It's only one item here, and that's it. Very cheap and very fast food. Oh, shit. I like adding some more spices because I feel it could be better. You know, I'm a creative man. A little bit of paper. I also like creative stuff. Mm. The moment of. That's what we deserve to have. A little bit. A moment. And I would say, not bad. Not bad. Mm. Uh, I want water. I want more liquid soup. Finish it now. Evening meat. No, pancake. For evening, I'm gonna eat the pancake with raspberry and yogurt. Mm, good as a dessert. Maybe you need to also drink some tea for this pancake, but you also can have variation of it. Inside, you can put not yogurt and berries, but your favorite ham, for example. One more bite.